An isobaric process is a thermodynamic process where the pressure remains constant. Think of it like a piston cylinder system where the piston is free to move and the external pressure is kept constant. In an isobaric process, pressure P is constant, volume or V changes, temperature or T may change, and heat transfer or Q, and also work can occur. The work done, or W, in an isobaric process is given by work is equals to pressure times absolute volume. Example, a gas is expanded at a constant pressure from 2 cubic meter to 4 cubic meter. If the pressure is 200 kPa, find the work done by the gas. So now let's have the given for the example 1. Given for our volume 1 or our initial volume, which is 2 cubic meter. 2 cubic meter. And our final volume, which is 4 cubic meter. 4 cubic meter, and our pressure, which is 200 kPa. 200 kPa. So kay kPa man siya, ito siya yung PA, Pascal. So 200 kPa times 1,000 is equals to 200,000 PA or Pascal. So now we are looking for the work. So the general formula for isobaric process where work occur is work is equals to pressure times absolute volume. So since absolute volume man, need na to i-compute ni para makuha na itong absolute volume. So the formula for getting the absolute volume is equals to V2 minus V1. Then substitution is equals to V2. Our V2 is 4 cubic meter. So 4 cubic meter minus 2 cubic meter, which is our V1. So absolute volume is equals to 2 cubic meter because 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So we have na our absolute volume. So makaproceed na sa ato ang formula. So work is equals to P times absolute volume. So wherein work is equals to our pressure is 200,000 Pascal. 200,000 Pascal times multiplied by our absolute volume is the 2 cubic meter. So work is equals to 200 times 2 is equals to 400,000 joule na siya. Okay. Kani silang duha P Pascal per cubic meter is equals to joule man. So kilojoule na ni siya since kilojoule naman noon. So 400 so Pascal per cubic meter is equals to joule. So we have here is 400 joule. Joule na siya, dili na siya kaning Pascal per cubic meter. So since nakuha man siya, mo na to siya kilojoules. So siya work is equals to 400 kilojoule. So we have the result sa atong computation sa atong work is equals to 400 kilojoule.